I speak the Sami language, but my older brother, he doesn't speak Sami language. My younger brother, he also speaks Sami. And the reason why my older brother never learned Sami was because that in those days, when he was born, the government had said that we shouldn't teach our children multiple languages. The government said that it would harm the children to learn multiple languages, that they will get confused and they will struggle in life in general. So my older brother, my parents had to choose then which language did they want to teach my older brother. And there were so many people who were thinking in those days that, no one's gonna use the Sami language anyway. There's not that many people who know the Sami language, so it's not gonna be useful for their lives. So that's why they didn't teach their children the Sami language, and they chose only to teach them one language, which was Norwegian or Swedish. My brother was born in 1976 and I was born in 1979. So there's only 3 years difference, but still I have a much deeper connection with the Sami culture because I learned the language. And my brother was very much kind of like, he was distanced from the culture because he didn't learn the language. The language is so important when it comes to understanding a culture, understanding the way of thinking, and being a part of a society. So there are so many people in that age or in Scandinavia that are around 50, late 40s, 50 years old, who have lost their Sami language because their parents thought that they were doing the right thing, not teaching them Sami. And this is, of course, in addition to all the other reasons why not to teach children Sami language, because of bullying, the oppression, like being treated bad because they're Sami in general. So what's happening now is that my brother, and I know many other people in that age, are actually going to Sami language courses to learn the Sami language. I've seen how hard it is for them. So all kudos to the people who are learning a new language, and about their own culture.